What's in it for me? I wrote a book that's published and it's titled What's in It for Me. And the gist of that book is that basically, if you want to move forward in your life, then you have to look at things as they are and understand that everything is a transaction. It could be a transaction that you're giving away your stuff for free, but even when you're giving something away for free, you're still looking for something. It's either that self appreciation or self gratitude or the gratitude of someone else. So understand that everything is a transaction. Just about every conversation, every relationship. The only thing that's different, the only thing that hangs in the air is the price. What is it that you're paying for it? Are you paying for it with your kindness? Are you paying for it with your patience? Are you paying for it with your time? Are you paying for it with your money? Are you paying for it with your soul? Understand that time is the most precious thing that you have on the planet, and you can't get a second back. So when I wrote the book, What's in It for Me, what I want you to do is think of literally what's in it for you. And I'm not talking about a win lose type of relationship or interaction. I'm talking about a win win interaction. Just a thought. Take care.